Nate in your state.
Gracias.
Es la primera versión que viniera el duelo de la noche. Tiro Pedro Luina. Autoriza el árbitro.
Jorge. Jorge. What's going on?
How have you been, man?
I've been good, man.
Okay, welcome.
Sí. ¿Ves el video? Porque el video en YouTube. No,
Okay.
you see it yet?
No,
No sé,
no.
no veo yet. I don't... Sí, video con nosotros así,
Let me
man.
see.
Amigo, it's here. Hold on. Where's YouTube?
I don't know. Wait.
Yeah, man, it's throwback. Buenas.
Let me see, man.
Sí. Aquí.
Oh my God.
Sí.
It's weird.
Sí. Porque arrégate en con Instagram también. Sí.
Where?
Hold on, un momento. Sí, estoy aquí, pero sí, seguro, pero ¿dónde qué?
I don't know where it is.
Sí,
No, look.
sí,
Oh, yeah,
aquí,
here?
sí,
Okay.
sí,
Oh, thank you, man.
sí. Quiero que me dé algo.
Claro.
Sí, listo, sí. Gracias. Bueno,
Sit down.
Gracias.
Maybe do you want drink? Beer,
sí.
juice?
Me gustaría
Okay, Club Águila Corona Budweiser.
no quiero corona ahora. Me gustaría
¿Gaseosa?
sí, colombiana. Son colombianos, sí. Gracias. ¿Es frío? Sí, gracias. Sí, listo.
La confianza que nos une. En wplay.co están los poderosísimos duelos de
Listo,
fútbol
gracias.
Okay, bro.
Gracias.
Apuéstale a la liga en wplay.co.
This time, yeah, I'm just gonna be eating. I'm gonna let him do his thing. He's in the kitchen. The maid over there. Yeah, man, you always gotta come back and show love. And I got myself Colombiana as well. So, yeah, man, once you're in Cali, you gotta come show love. That's how it is. We all here. We got ourselves a pool. Oh, listo? Hey, I'm ready. Let's see what Jorge made me this time, y'all. Okay. So, man, here the stuff comes. Oh, snap. You already know. Oh, this is the good stuff. This is the good stuff. See, this is Jorge's meal, y'all. This is Jorge's meal, man. You always gotta come and enjoy stuff like this. You see all of this? You see this? Man, I gotta take a picture. Jorge,
Yeah.
¿cocina porritos también?
Yeah.
Sí, me gusta. Sí.
Yeah.
Me gusta uno.
You want one now?
Sí, sí.
Okay.
Yo comí algo de this aquí, and then.
Okay.
Sí, listo.
Sure.
All right, so we got fries and we got the chicken. Smash is still bad, but you know, when you're excited, you just don't know how to act. You know what I'm saying? We diving in. Barbecue sauce this time. What we got? Ooh. We got the meat. It's cheese. Jorge, I see you, bro. Buen provecho, buen provecho.
Gana por 2 a 0.
Sí.
Lo van a buscar, señores.
Gotta get out
Pero
of this.
esta pelota quieta es importante cuando te resta
Here we go, here we go.
Listos para el cobro. Le va a pegar Jason Guzmán, el talento de Carla. Cuidado con las torres. Guzmán por tierra, iba casi. Vale, que está el tiro libre.
Muy
Se
bien.
mantiene en la barrera. Viene todo para reiniciar con Romina y el Kermier.
I don't know if this is pork or beef. It's some meat I've never had before.
Se abre el juego por zona derecha. Mano larga.
But it tastes like roast beef. Could be pork roast beef. Yeah, I think I'm overdoing it right now, y'all. So, got myself a Colombian hot dog as well. You're about to eat this. Call it a day. Listo. No problem. Listo.
Okay, thanks a lot for coming to our show.
Yeah. You have to watch the video.
Okay. Tomorrow in the restaurant we have a typical soup. It's very good. You
Okay.
can see it tomorrow.
Ojalá que sí. Porque estoy muy... So,
39,400.
all right.
¿Te gustó la costilla?
Sí, sí.
La costilla de cheque.
Sí, es diferente,
Por
¿no?
variártelo, quería gratinarlo.
Mhm.
¿Es okay?
Sí, como toro.
Oh,
Como
thanks a
toro.
lot.
Yeah. Sí.
Right?
More. Yeah, amigo. Tú sabes.
Es que ese me año la moto. ¿Es como una moto?
¿Cómo entiendes?
No, es que bueno, alguien pasó.
Listen, baby, this is my friend.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
I hear the English. I'm like, oh snap! Hey!
Where you from?
Estados Unidos. We'll be viviendo en Nueva York.
Oh, New York.
Yeah.
Okay, super. I'm from Miami.
Miami.
Yeah. I have family here in Colombia.
Yeah, muchos colombianos in Miami. That I
How are
know.
you like? What are you doing there?
I'm recording right now. I was with Jorge, did a video, and I just came back to say hello.
Yeah, my cousin right there.
Yeah,
He's
primo.
like my second cousin.
Oh
No,
snap!
we family.
So you're probably too busy. So you have to watch the video for him then. I was telling him, look, YouTube. My taxi's here. I gotta go. But I was telling him. I said, yo, watch the video because this was me and him, right? When I was here, I'm in the kitchen. He's preparing up something for me, and he's explaining. I said, yo, don't worry, I'm gonna get you. And I explained a little bit. Yeah, that's me. All right, I gotta go. Jorge.
Okay, man.
All right.
Bye.
Ciao.
Thanks a lot for coming.
Nice meeting you as well.
The US. It's rare here. It's
All right. It is rare. All right, we'll chat. Peace. Amigo. Yeah, eso. Amigo. Sí. ¿Cómo está tu noche?
¿Ah?
¿Cómo está tu noche?
Bien, ¿la suya?
Todo bien.
¿El mío?
Sí. Comido mucho.
Nate in your state.